Hey everyone, today I'm excited to demonstrate how to install a switch kit for your Brompton. Let's get started. For this project, I'll be using a set of essential tools to ensure a smooth installation process. Once you open the box with a cutter, you'll find the front wheel neatly placed on top, followed by all the components required for installing the kit. Among them, 3 small boxes contain the display, pedal assist sensor, and charger plug, while larger boxes hold the Switch Max battery, mount, and charger. Don't forget to check for the instruction manual, essential for a hassle-free installation. This is what the complete kit looks like fresh out of the box. From the front wheel to the neatly arranged components and manuals, everything you need for the installation journey is right here. First step is to replace the front wheel of your bike to a motorized wheel kit. You can use a repair stand, or for an alternative, like with my Brompton, flipping your bike upside down can simplify tire replacements. It's all about finding what works best for you. Inflating the tire before removal can ease the process of taking it off the bike fork. I always hang on to replaced parts, just in case for future use. Consider wearing an apron while working on bikes. Not only does it keep your shirt clean, but the front pocket also provides a convenient spot for tools. When reattaching tires to your Brompton, ensure the wire side on the wheel set is positioned to the left, opposite the chain ring, for proper alignment. Attach the pedal assist sensor to the left pedal. After snapping the other part of the sensor on top, listen for a click indicating it's securely attached. Then add the metal ring for added protection. After attaching the pedal sensor, the next step is to affix the magnetic sensor. Peel off the red sticker from the back and attach the magnetic sensor to the Brompton frame. For detailed instructions, please refer to the video. Make sure that the pedal assist sensor is aligned to attract the magnetic sensor. When the red light on the magnetic sensor turns on, it powers up the motorized front wheel. For added security, use the zip tie provided with your switch kit to secure the magnetic sensor. This ensures that the sensor remains firmly attached to the Brompton frame, reducing the risk of detachment during rides. As we proceed, we'll install the mount for the battery of the switch kit. Remember, position the battery inside facing the rider to avoid interference when folding the bike, ensuring a smooth fold of the bike. Then install the display on the left side of the handle and secure it, making it easier to adjust my settings. If you're using the LED display, you can find tutorials on YouTube guiding you through the settings specific to Brompton. Search for Brompton LED display settings to access helpful resources tailored to your needs. And for the final step, connect all the wires to the battery mount, ensuring each line matches its color coordination for the corresponding attached wires. You can see the color of the wires on the tip on each line. Then connect the battery to the mount, and we're all set to test our switch kit for our Brompton.